Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to LICD LT Spice session number 8. Today we are going to simulate the implementation of linear equation using op-amp, and secondly the design of the subtractor circuit. So in the last lecture we have implemented this equation using op-amp, and we got the result as follows. So the design circuit was this, and this was supposed to give the output as 3 times VA minus 5 times VB. So let us try to implement this in in LT Spice and check out with the result. Okay, I'll keep this here and I'll open the LT Spice window where I've already made up the op-amp and the power supply connections, and we'll do the remaining connections right now. Okay, so we require two registers. One register will be here, other registers will be over here, one will be over here, let's say here, over here, and another will be here, and one you can place it over here. And now you can connect them with a wire quickly. Okay, and this will go somewhere around here. This we require for the supply, and these resistors will come over here like this, and we have this connection for another supply. Okay, so more or less work is done. We have to just select the voltage sources, DC voltage sources for VA, and this will be for VB, and we'll connect them with a wire quickly. So this is connected, and the lower one also will be connected. Let me just pull it up. Yeah, so I'll now connect the grounds at various places. Remember that op-amp is already powered with your DC power supply. That connection is already made. Now let us check the syntax properly. This is R1 basically. This is R2. This is R3, and this is R4 as usual. The value is 5K over here. As per our design, this is 1K. This is 10K, and this will be also 10K. And the combination of VA and VB we will select. So let's call this as VB, and this will be VA. Okay. Now we are ready to simulate the circuitry. Only thing is we have to decide the combination. Let me write the equation which we are implementing. So let me right click, graph, comment. So we are implementing an equation V out is equal to 3 times VA minus 5 times VB. So let me write this equation over here. Okay, and we have to also mark the output node. So output here I will write V out. Okay, so we are ready now. First combination will be, let us select this. So VA and VB are 2 and 3 respectively. So this is 2 volts, and this will be 3 volts, and we expected to get output of minus 9. Let us check now. So go to simulate, run, and go to DC operating point and click on OK. So you'll get a blank screen over here. So V out should be close to minus 9, and we are getting minus 8.99, which is very close. We can get this value over here also. Right click and select V out. Okay, so now you can drag it along anywhere. Yeah, so this is the value of V out which we are getting. Go to view unconnected ones. Yeah, this is the value of V out minus 9. It's theoretical, and in simulated value it's minus 8.99. So you can write it over here. Next combination is VA is sorry VA is 5 volts DC, and VB is 1 volt DC. We expected to get plus 10 now. So let us check. So go to run, simulate, and we are getting V out as 9.999, and here it will automatically come. So the circuit is perfectly working fine. no problem at all. Now, so this is validated that the linear equation, that is 3VA minus 5VB, is working perfectly fine, no problem at all. Now let us check the second design. So second design says that we have to design a subtractor circuit such a manner that V out is equal to V1 minus V2. So for this, all resistors were equal to 10 kilo ohm in this circuit. So let us try this now. So you have this circuit over here. Instead of VA and VB, we have V1 and V2. So let me write V1 over here, and this will be V2, and all the resistance are same, equal to 10 kilo ohm. So let us do that. So this resistor is also same, this is also same, and the output expression is just VA minus VB. So VA minus VB. So that's the output expression, and the range which we have to change is something like this: VA and VB. Sorry, it's V1 and V2 actually. Doesn't matter. V1 and V2, VA, VB, it's one and the same thing. So V1 and V2 is respectively 2 volts, and this is 3 volts. So theoretically, expectation is it should subtract 2 minus 3. That should give you minus 1. Let's check in simulation. So go to simulate, run. Yes, we are getting minus 0.999. So it is close to 1 volt. Now let's check this, change this to 5 volts as per the second reading, and let's change this to 1 volt. So now the answer should be plus 4, 5 minus 1. Yeah, we are getting close to 4. So we are getting as 3.9999, and the theoretical value is 4 volt. So this completes the the LT Spice hands-on part for the two design circuits using subtractor. Okay, so next time we'll simulate some other circuit using op amp in LT Spice. So until then, have a good day.